Hey, what's up, everyone? So I wanted to go over the movement patterns. We're going to be focusing on red. So this way for U13 ECRL, this is set up, as you can see, the 4-2-3-1. That is the shape that you guys will be executing this season. And I just want to talk about pressing when we are, let's say, a goal kick out of possession. So starting back here, and set everything up. How a team usually, and this is the team is I have set up here, is in a 4-3-3. They might be in a 4-4-2, but for demonstration purposes, we are in we're facing a 4-3-3. So as I always said, the press starts with the 9. So if you're playing a forward, you are going to dictate where they go. In this case, I am pushing them. They're taking the goal kick from the right side, facing down. The 9 is going to start their movement here. We're going to have everyone step up a level. So we're not going to be that far back. One of the 6s, the 4 and 5, can go ahead and cover this guy. You can step up, and you're going to step up here, and you're going to step up here. All right, so remember, we are in red, okay? So this is very high press. The high line's here. You see where the half field line is. Goalie will be a little bit connected. So if anything is played long, deep ball, you can connect, and then we can maintain possession from there. But let's just say they go short, right? So if they're going short from here, first thing is, once the ball's in play, this guy is going to make that banana arcing looping run there. And that run is to cut off the backwards pass. The 10 is now going to step up. And then this is how I would like this to work. Make sure you are ball side. We step over. We're going to commit numbers to the strong side and try to lock them in. All right. So we move over 1. The 4 and 5, you stay back. We always have a +1 there with the last guy. If the 9 is staying high, that therefore we don't want us getting in a foot race and losing that battle. We can at least keep a numbers advantage here. Outside of that, once we do this, we try to get this guy pressure covered in. So get that 2v1 to either force the pass this way or try to make them go back. But if they do, then we're trying to lock that off here and put the goalie under pressure. But once we cut off here, the idea here is you can look at it in a perfect world. That's what this is, a perfect scenario. If we're all working together, we're cutting off the outlet passes, right? Even if you pass to the flank here, we got them locked in. The 10 now shifts down. We are cutting that off. The 9 is already here. And now you are going to go here, be ball side, and be able to prevent them from going backwards. Because if they do go to that flank area, we have a 3v1 if you really think about it, because you got you 2 plus the defender on the sideline, preventing them from having any form of escape. Now, if they were to break out of there, I mean, we did our best. As long as we're pressuring and covering the right way and cutting off the outlet angles, that person should be trapped. We win the ball. Now we are back to countering, get quickly to goal as fast as we can. All right. So that's very simple how the press works. The next video I'm going to show you is going to be how do we build up in this same formation, the 4-2-3-1. How do we have our movement patterns when we're in possession? And keep in mind, this works on both sides. So I just showed you a right side build out from the opposition. It works on the same way on the left side. Everything works the same. People just shift. Everything shifts to the other side of the field. All right. Like I said, next video will be in possession build out.